Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription with your mobile. So first thing, you need to open the Spotify app. After that, you will find your photo on the top left corner. You just click on it and then you will find your premium subscription, which is student in my case. You just select it and then you will find the manage button here. You just click on it. After that, as you can see, you will find this message that said you can't make changes to your plan in the app. We know it's not ideal. So in this case, you just need to open your Spotify with browser on your mobile, or you can just open it with a laptop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.